Thank you for joining today's Words of Wisdom with Prayers. While there is wonderful, valuable knowledge and information like diamond that make people truly happy, there is knowledge and information like junk that makes people unhappy. May people all over the world encounter the teachings of Lord El Cantare, the most valuable knowledge and information in the world and the universe, before the day is over. Today's words of wisdom is, your body is a holy temple for your soul to reside. I've come of age. Now I am free to do whatever I want, right? I'm free to play with drugs or drink too much alcohol. Am I not? And so on. There are many people in the world who are undermining their own bodies in any ways. I would like those people to hear teachings of truth. From the laws of hell, page 108 to 110. People, please do not make a mistake and think, this physical body is mine. It's at my disposal. So it's up to me to decide how to use it. People say, I have legs. So what's wrong with kicking a soccer ball and playing soccer? Or, I have arms. So what's wrong with swinging a baseball bat and getting a hit? On a similar note, many people think humans have the right over their own physical body, so I should be able to use it however I want. But let me tell you, your physical body was gifted to you by your parents, so you must be grateful for that. Each of you has been gifted a physical body. Your parents gave birth to you and have put a lot of work and energy into raising you. You may enter adulthood and think, I turned 18 or I turned 20. I'm free to do whatever I want. But you must be careful of how you use your physical body that was gifted to you by your parents. You must use it so that you can give back to society as well as take responsibility for your future actions. What is more, it is true that your physical body was given by your parents, but there is a premise to that. God or Buddha exists. there exists a place called the spirit world, and there is a system of reincarnation. Humans have been permitted to reincarnate. I want you to cherish and use your physical body carefully by telling yourself, my body is a holy temple for my soul to reside. It is neither good nor evil in itself. If you use a knife, for example, it can be used for cooking or peeling fruits, but it can also turn into a weapon if you use it to kill someone. In the same way, a physical body can become good or evil depending on the mindset of the person use it. How was it? Even though your parents died before you, even though they were too busy with work to treat you well, even though they continue to bully you, you asked to be born, and you were born to your parents, and they brought you into the world. Furthermore, there is the one who created and gave you a physical body in the first place. It's the Lord El Cantare, the primordial Buddha, the fundamental God. He is the parents of all human souls. Please study the Lord's teachings carefully and restore your soul to its original state. In the description section of this YouTube video, you will find the links for today's related to Kyouten, the laws of hell. Most important Kyouten in this year. Please access and learn from it. Now let us recite Happy Sun's prayers. Lord El Cantare, Master Liu Ho Oka, thank you very much for giving us your great light every day. We practice the principles of happiness, love, wisdom, self-reflection, and progress to make the world better with our brothers and sisters. With our gratitude, we will recite the true words spoken by Buddha. Prayer to the Lord and prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. The true words spoken by Buddha, Liu Ho Oka. There used to be the light in the great universe. The light is the energy of Buddha. People can live by this energy, and Buddha's energy has made human history. It will be supplied eternally. This eternal light comes from heaven and prevails on earth. This is the light of heaven. Through the prism of Buddha, there appear the 7 colors of rainbow, arching over in the sky. Here you can see Buddha's mercy. Yellow is the color of teaching. White is the color of saving. Red is the color of justice. Purple is the color of obedience. Blue is the color of thinking. Green is the color of harmony. Silver is the color of progress. These 7 colors help each other, and there appears Buddhaland. Buddhaland is shining brightly because of gathering of bodhisattvas. This is the land of love or the land of mercy. This is the land of wisdom or the land of teaching. Especially, this is the land of souls rest in peace. Real souls are the children of Buddha. The children of Buddha became real human beings. Real human beings have spirituality. The spirits are immortal powers. The spirits are immortal forces. The spirits are real entities. The physical bodies are the shadows of the spirits. It means you are the boat sailing down the great river. The great river is the symbol of the course of lives. Each of you sails down as a small boat, so you need a boatman. If it were not for your own boatman, you surely go aground. This boatman really means your mind. If your mind makes a mistake, the boat breaks into pieces by a large rock. And you also need a bamboo pole. This pole is the meaning of the true words. When you go down a rapid stream, you need to pan in the stream. Then you can change your course. The true words means the teaching of Buddha. Buddha enlightened and spoke the true words. And Buddha's teaching became a golden mind. This golden mind suggests various teachings. These are another expression of Buddha's truth. It brightens up your days. Or, to put it another way, the fruits of Buddha's mercy. All of you, now, here, listen to me. Never lose your way, now and forever. The guiding hand has already waved. Please follow this white hand and go steadily on and on. Your lives are not limited to this world only. They have 3 aspects: the past, the present, the future. Your past have already gone by, yet still your mistakes will be kept in your mind. That is the reason why you should understand other people, and you yourself should reflect on what you have done. You and others are not different. On the contrary, both are children of Buddha and brothers and sisters. Now then, love each other. Let us bring up each other, and it's time to forgive each other. This is the eternal law, which penetrates the present and the future. Yes, indeed, the light of the dark night. The dark night of this world is hell. It is also the same in another world. Since we came down to this world, the sun of the truth is scheduled to rise. Now we are watching rising sun. It will shed light to the future, to invite sad people to Buddhaland. Now here I command, there shall not be conflict in this world. There shall not be distrust in this world. There shall not be crime in this world. There shall not be evil spirits in this world. There shall not be the devil in the next world. Only the ideal world, utopia, shall be realized. All of the people love each other, live harmoniously, believe in one another. The world is utopia. All of us could be the light of bodhisattvas. Believing that the light has reality. Believing that love has reality. Believing that the truth has reality. These are the facts that should be conveyed. We, the light of bodhisattvas, get together, work together to keep right mind and live in tune with Buddha's words. Here we vow to do so. Prayer to the Lord. Our Lord El Cantare, you are the source of all light, all power, all wisdom, and all love. May you give us light, give us power, give us wisdom, and give us love. Our Lord, our Father, please protect this planet of love, Earth. Protect us from all evil and open a future for us. Our Lord, thank you for giving us light. We give thanks from the bottom of our hearts. Prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. My guardian and guiding spirits, deep inside of me, you are the fountain of life, the light of hope, the source of wisdom, and the shield of courage. Every day, may you help me develop my soul and refine my mind. Every day, may you give me inspiration and show me the right path to follow. Please protect me from all evil and guide me in living a better life. For this, I give my thanks. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day.